Hey, so today I'm going to show you how to install your new Monsia filtered shower head. Super easy. We've got everything set up and ready to go. This is what we're going to be replacing. So we're going to rinse this out as recommended, remove the old attachment, and I'm just going to take out the old O-ring here. We've got new ones, so get rid of that. Just wipe it down, make sure there's nothing here. Now you could replace the tape, but I'm just gonna see how this goes. So remove that plastic part there. Go ahead and we'll just put the O-ring in, the new one, there we go, and we're gonna just screw that on. Righty tighty. Now my shower head that's attached to the wall moves, so I'm just gonna hold this tight while I get it in place. All right, slowly but surely we're getting there all the way until she's nice and tight. All right, now for the true test, let's check out this water pressure. Now if you find the pressure's not enough, you can remove that O-ring, but this is great. Yeah, that feels pretty good. So you can always remove that O-ring if you find that there's not enough pressure. And I'm just going to have a double check and make sure that nothing is leaking up here. It's not. I'll clean that up after, retape it. And there we go. Easy peasy.